Hi all, this will be the final instalment on the 595 brake overhaul. As you can see, we're underneath the tractor now. On the last episode, if you can remember, we were looking at the master cylinders and replacing them. However, I've used the tractor a few times and the brakes still seem to be a bit dodgy, let's say, and found out that the slave cylinders are quite badly leaking, and the seals on them, after 40 odd years, the seals are starting to perish and they're now starting to lose fluid. Took it to a local show just up the road, probably about 6 miles or so, and every time I was using the brakes I was losing a bit of brake fluid from the reservoir, and I managed to survive the weekend with no trouble. Just had to keep topping it up until I got back to the workshop, and that was when I discovered that the slave cylinders had seen their day. So we've ordered two new ones, and I fitted them, and they're all bled. I've had to do some modifications to the pipework, as the original pipework to the slave cylinders was considerably larger. And of course the modern ones are slightly smaller, standard pipe. Can't remember off the top of my head what they were, so I had to put a join there, which I had a join anyway. So as you can see, I take you underneath the tractor, maybe a bit dodgy work, a bit tight under here, but as you can see, there's the new slave cylinders. They were relatively easy to fit, no trouble, just went straight in as if they were just genuine replacement ones. The only thing that is slightly different is the bleed nipples are larger. The pin size, as you might just be able to see under there, is slightly larger, so I had to drill out the indentation on the rocker so the pin didn't keep slipping out. But other than that, they work as a factory. They're all adjusted up. I'll probably do a video soon of showing the tractor outside on the run and out in the field, and showing you what the brakes are like now. So thanks for watching. Apologies for a lack of videos recently, but I've been doing a few other projects which I'll do videos on to share with you. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.